This demo is about integration of GEM Edge data with SAP Cloud Platform. In order to do the integration, we will first need to do the device configuration. In the device management, we will create a device. Each device is associated with a sensor. Each sensor has a sensor type, and each sensor type can have multiple capabilities. Capabilities represent properties of device and to which data payload will be sent over REST API. The REST APIs are provided by SAP. Now the configuration is done. We can send edge data to the cloud platform using REST APIs. To visualize the data, we go to the device. In the data visualization tab, we can select from the drop down, the default database will be there. From the sensor, we select the one we created. And from capability which are associated with the sensor, we can select the one we need in this visualization. The data here we are representing is about OEE availability data, assist, failure, and none. These are key indicators which affect availability calculation. I'll go and select the time frame where I had sent some data a couple of days back. So as you see, the data is shown here for the three capabilities that we selected: assist, failure, and none. The y-axis has the total duration of this categorized events, each for assist, failure, and none. And x-axis is the timestamp at which when we send the data to this platform.